Hi, this is Carole Conlon, and today for our Mastering the Body series, I want to talk to you about light body changes. The light body change is all due to ascension process that's hitting both planet Earth and us. What is happening is that our frequencies are increasingly getting higher and higher, and our dense bodies are shifting, supposedly from carbon based eventually to crystalline base. So we're going to get lighter and lighter. In the meantime, however, it's a process. Bones, the densest part of our bodies, the teeth, the bones, are taking a beating because they're not very flexible. They're not very light. Because of all of that, we are looking at extra pain, usually. It could be back pain, headaches, shoulder pain, leg pain. The digestive system, the hormonal system, every part of our body is being affected, even on the cellular level. It's a slow process, but it is happening. Eventually, the outside of us will also look young, 30 years or so. Wonderful. The four things you want to be sure to look at is you doing more exercise, getting more water, getting more rest, because a lot of these changes is leading to total exhaustion in our world. And then the fourth thing is to connect with Mother Nature more, because it's our through nature, our interactions there with the chakras, that we get that energy sap from outside of us. It's coming. You can do a little bit to help ease the pain by doing different types of body work or working with energetic, crystals, gems, aromatherapy, flower essences. But it's a job. The main thing is don't panic. It's happening. When I look at a client, I want to know, is what ails them part of their destiny or health blueprints? If it's not, they're either off track or it's an ascension problem. So day by day, see where all this shift happens. And that's my tip today for mastering your body. And if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button, and we will send any questions or comments, and we'll get back to you. Have a good one.